Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Beauty by AJ and today's video will be week 2 of my 30-day hair detox. So last week was the first week of my 30-day hair detox and it was my first time using the products that my Cut It Kinky stylist recommended to me and that she used when she did my hair. So after my pour attempt last week, I really want to focus on perfecting my technique. I use all the correct products, which I mentioned in my last video, and I'll link that up above. So this time I just want to focus on the application of the product. So as you can see, I'm shampooing my hair, but I found that I couldn't see or feel if the product was evenly distributed because I applied it all over my hair rather than in sections. And the shampoo wasn't lathering, it didn't give off a lot of suds, and the shampoo was kind of just sitting on my hair. So once I rinsed it off, I felt like there was still some friction in my hair, and that could have been from gel or something just not being washed all the way out, so I did a second wash. The second time I washed my hair, I parted my hair into 4 sections and I applied the product that way, and it helped me apply the product more evenly. And as you can see, there's a lot more suds and lather this time, so that means my hair is clean. I rinsed everything out and then I added my conditioner. It took me about 10 minutes to detangle my entire head since I just washed it last week, and this video sped up a bit, but you can see how easy the brush is going through my hair. I really like how effortless detangling was, so I would try to stay consistent with the once a week routine. So last time I felt like I needed to use more styling gels. I only used about 1 pump of the Uncle Funky's Daughter, a half a pump of the I Create Hold, and like a little dime size amount of the Trepadora per section, and I feel like I need to use a lot more. I also didn't apply the product to my roots, which led me to have puffy roots early in the week. So I rinsed the conditioner out and then I parted my hair into 3 sections. I applied a generous amount of the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic. I used about 4 or 5 pumps per section, and then I added a little bit more water, and then I put on a shower cap so I could take a shower without product dripping on me. So with the Uncle Funky's Daughter, I noticed that my hair feels very heavy and drenched with water, but the product holds the water into your hair rather than dripping out onto the floor or your towel. So after I got out the shower, I applied warm water to reactivate the Uncle Funky's, and then I applied about 4 pumps per section of the I Create Hold. I used about a quarter size amount of the bamboo ginseng per section, and then I smoothed the hair until it clumped with my fingers. I've realized that I'm not good at this whole raking method. I've noticed that the Uncle Funky's causes the ends of my hair to kind of stick together and act like they want to tangle. And I'm really not the best finger detangler, so I had a hard time with this step in my routine. I tried to use my detangling brush for this step, but I didn't want to cause frizz or disturb my curls. But I did end up finding an easier and faster way to clump my curls and smooth my hair, which I'll share in my video next week. Now, all the products I use for this style are gels, but they're not drying. They have properties to keep my hair moisturized because of the humectants in them, so I don't need a leave-in conditioner or a cream product. The white foamy residue is from the products mixing together, but it goes away as my hair dries. Also, if you're new to my channel, I just got a big chop and I'll link that video up above. In that video, I talked about why I had to cut my hair and what led me to this detox. So this time around, when I did the wash and go, I did run into issues with the stringy dehydrated hair again. So I cut the ends as best I could, but I do not recommend doing that because I ended up cutting one of the sections too high and it messed up the shape of my hair, and now my hair is uneven. But you know what? I'm not even worried about it because it'll grow back and at least my hairstyle looks cohesive. You know, I'm trying to be a good sport about it. So I shook my hair to get my curls to separate a little bit more and to give it some body. And then I sat under a hooded dryer for an hour. And after that, my hair did have a gel cast, but that's kind of expected because all I did was use gels. But I will say that it looks very defined and very shiny. My curls are looking a lot healthier and feeling very clean and defined. Also, this is how much hair was in my detangling brush from wash day. My hair like 85% dry. There's still a few patches that are like really wet, but for the most part the outside is very dry. Well, not very dry, but it's dried. I think my hair looks amazing. To say that this is the same products and everything that I used last week, but that's how you know the application and the amount of product that you use makes a big difference, because this is not how my hair looked like on day one last week. The only thing that I notice right now, with this being week 2 of week 2 of the 30-day detox, is that my hair, like, it's all really curly. I had to cut some of them scraggly ends again because some of them were not curling, but as you can see, majority of all my hair is curled. This part is way looser than this side. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's really weird. Like, this is like a very springy curl, whereas this is more loose. And I'm not mad at it. I just noticed that it's 2 completely different curl patterns. But yeah, this is my haircut right now. I think it looks really pretty and I'm so happy with how it turned out. It's a little crunchy, but like I said, it's still wet. So I'll see how it comes out tomorrow. If I have a chance, I'll come on here. If not, I'll come back some other time. But this is my hair 2 days later. Yesterday, I didn't take my scarf off at all, and I should have because my hair is still wet. This is my hair. I don't know what the shape is like, but all right here is still wet. So I think so far we're getting way better at at like getting rid of some of those straight pieces. I just still see a few straggly ends. I'm gonna get them because they're aggravating me. But on my right side, right here, I feel like the curls look really good. So this is my hair right now, and yeah, it feels really good. I have a little bit of a gel cast, more so up here, but my hair doesn't feel greasy, like, you know, I'm rubbing my fingers through it. No gel on my hands. It's not even shining. No gel. No oils or anything on my hair. I have still have clean hair. My hair has a lot of body. It still moves. So yeah, it still moves. So that's good. And we're still going strong. So, you know, if nothing else changes, I'll just come back on wash day. But if something changes, I'll come back before then.